सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 5, Shloka number 17. तद्बुद्धयस्तदात्मानः तन्निष्ठास्तत्परायणाः गच्छन्त्य पुनरावृत्तिम् ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः. Lord Krishna giving the various stages that seeker has to undergo or goes through so many stages before getting the Jnana Nishtha. In the last class, I made a statement that is, Jnana Abhava is not Ajnanam. It's a very, very technical. I would like to clarify little bit on that statement, because Lord Krishna said in the 16th shloka, Jnanena Ajnanam Nashitam. Through knowledge alone, through self-knowledge alone, that self-ignorance will go away. What ignorance we are talking in Vedanta is not that worldly ignorance we are talking here. It is a peculiar type of ignorance. Therefore, this ignorance very carefully we have to understand. I'll give an example. Then we can understand. When I say there is a snake, instead of seeing this rope as rope, because of semi-darkness, that is the condition, to see the rope snake you can understand. Instead of seeing the rope as rope, I see the snake upon the rope. I do not know it is a rope. What is the reason? Because of semi-darkness, manda andhakara. Because of semi-darkness, when I see the snake, what I say, there is snake. There is snake. This is called ignorance. Ignorance of what? Ignorance of rope. I am ignorant of rope, therefore I superimpose upon the rope what? Snake I superimpose. This is rope ignorance. Before, in this there is snake, two are there. There is something. What is there? Snake is. If there is snake, you can divide this knowledge into two. There is snake. This is mithya jnana. You can divide into two. There is a samanya jnana. Something is there. That something is appearing to me as snake. That is, snake is a specific knowledge. Vishesha Jnanam. Very important technical terms. There is a common knowledge, general knowledge. Samanya Jnanam in Sanskrit. General knowledge peru Samanya Jnanam. There is snake instead of rope. If I see the rope as rope, there is a rope. Rope is also Vishesha Jnanam. But instead of seeing the rope, what am I seeing now? Snake. So Vishesha Jnanam the difference. This there is really belong to whom? Snake or rope? Rope. Very interesting. There is அங்க ஒன்னு இருக்க ஏதோ இருக்கு. This இருப்புதல் belong to whom? Rope only. But what am I seeing? Snake. So where I am lacking, what knowledge I am lacking? Either Samanya Jnanam or Vishesha Jnanam. Vishesha Jnanam I am lacking. Samanya Jnanam is there. What is the Samanya Jnanam? There is Samanya Jnanam. There is, put in quotation, it is a Samanya Jnanam. But there is a rope Vishesha Jnanam badala enna paakren? Snake paakren. Adha Vishesha Jnanam. Ippo our ignorance is in Vishesha Jnanam, not in Samanya Jnanam. Clear? So, this Vishesha Jnanam, Ajnanam alone is called Mithya Jnanam. Adha. It's clear? So, Mithya Jnanam is that which appears, I experience, but on inquiry, it will be negated. When I put light, full light, snake, no, not gone. I understand there is no snake at all. This is called knowledge. Snake will go away nu sollakudadu. Snake illiye poradhukku. Whole Vedanta is based on this. So therefore Vishesha Jnana Ajnanam is called Mithya Jnanam. Adukda Jnana Abhava is not Ajnanam. Inga Jnanam illa. Jnanam irukku namakku. Enna Jnanam irukku? There is engra Jnanam irukku. Samanya Jnanam irukku. Vishesha Jnanam only we are missing. Clear? So Mithya means whatever I experience, but on inquiry, it will be negated, falsified, is called Mithya Jnanam. It is also a knowledge. There is a snake is also a knowledge. For the time being, there is a knowledge. But on inquiry, what inquiry you put switch, torchlight use, put disappears. So what you get? Not Samanya Jnana, Vishesha Jnana. Samanya Jnana already there. Because in the snake, what is Adhishtanam? Rope. That rope is there, which is the substratum of snake. So, yat anubhava kale drishyate. Samskritana konjam solren. Yat anubhava kale drishyate. Whatever appears at the time of experience. Yat anubhava kale drishyate. Tat vichara anantaram. Tat vichara anantaram means after inquiry, that anubhava jnanam, anubhava kala experience jnanam, tat vichara anantaram badha bhavati means nashyati. It will be negated. Badha means negated. In Sanskrit, Vedantic term, Badha means negated, negatable, negated. You negate it. So, edhukku Swamini in the palm kairu edhukena. Similarly, we are also on the Brahman rope, we are superimposing the body-mind complex. I am ani solra samanya ஞானம் இருக்கு. தார்ஷ்டாந்தத்துக்கு வாங்கோ. திருஷ்டாந்தம் நல்லா கிளியரா இருக்கு இல்லையா? Darshtantam, original, we have to understand why we are studying about snake and rope. We are not interested in rope and snake. We are interested in knowing Brahman. Just as we are superimposing the snake upon the rope, similarly, upon Brahman, I am. நான் இருக்கேன் தெரியும், பட் நான் பிரம்மன் தெரியல. அந்த பிரம்ம அஜ்ஞானந்த விசேஷ அஜ்ஞானம். நான் இருக்கேன் அது என்ன ஞானம்? சாமானிய ஞானம். அது எல்லாருக்குமே இருக்கு. எல்லாருக்கும் என்ன? ஆல் பீப்புள் ஆர் ஹேவிங். நான் இருக்கேன், I am, that knowledge is there. But I do not know that I am Brahman. What am I taking in the place of Brahman? I am taking this body, mind, complex, sense organs, everything I am. Problem. If I see the snake, frightening, no? If I see the rope as rope, no problem. So, you see the snake, not only snake, sometimes you see it as mala, sometimes you see it as a water stream, lake. Something relevant to that only you see. You don't see elephant on the rope. You don't see any dog on the rope. அது மாதிரி இருக்கிறது தான் பார்ப்போம். அதே மாதிரி இங்க கூட body mind complex is taking as I am. Really speaking, I am not that. Just as I see the snake, superimposed snake, which is not there, I get fear, I want to run away. Similarly, if I superimpose upon me the Brahman, the body-mind complex, due to what? There is semi-darkness. Inga enna? Self-ignorance. Ange semi-darkness epadiyo, inga self-ignorance. Atma ajnanam. Ropa ajnanam caused to snake knowledge. Knowledge adi tappana or knowledge. Adida mithya jnanam. Okay. Clear now? Adida jnana abhava is not ajnanam. Ange namakku there is anangirathu theriyum. But visesha jnana ajnanam, that alone is ajnanam. Visesha jnanam, lacking. So Visesha jnana here is what? Aham Brahma asmi. Aham asmi theriyum. Aham asmi, நான் இருக்கேன். Aham anna நான். Asmi anna இருக்கேன். I am அங்கற சாமானிய ஞானம் இருக்கு. But aham Brahma asmi, அந்த விசேஷ ஞானம் we are lacking. Therefore, we are studying Bhagavad Gita to get that Visesha Jnanam. Aham asmi ki solradhukku avashyame illa Bhagavad Gita. But Aham Brahma asmi ke Bhagavad Gita padikkanum. So that knowledge will come when self-ignorance go away. There is an idiomatic expression in English. Ignorance can rule the roost only until another cock knowledge arrives. I'll explain you. Della Puja Swamiji's language, very difficult to understand. Ignorance can rule the roost only until another cock knowledge take its place. See, when you are in sleep, deep sleep, no? You do not know anything. When that cock, the cock early morning 3 o'clock, 3:30 first gives the voice, calls you. That cock knowledge comes, what will happen? your deep sleep ignorance goes away, you wake up. Until that time, the ignorance rules, it rules over. Adi madri, aham brahmasmi cock knowledge, until it comes, in the Brahma, ignorance will rule our life. This Bhagavad Gita padiche, after many years, we come to know that aham brahma asmi. Therefore, so without knowledge, Swamini, there is the possibility, without coming to your class, only coming to your class, studying Bhagavad Gita only is method, or there is any other? In Shvetashvara Upanishad says, there is a method, suppositional argument. That Upanishad says, if you fulfill one condition, it is possible. Without knowledge, without self-knowledge, you will get Brahma Jnanam. Without studying scriptures, you will get Brahma Jnanam. If you fulfill one condition. What is that condition? The shloka says, Yada charmavadakasham veshtaishyanti manavaha. Yada charmavat akasam veshtaishyanti manavaha. If any person rolls that akasha like a mat, if any person is ready to come and roll the mat, akasha, space, as a mat, tada devama vijnaya. At that time, without knowing that Deva Brahman principle, dukhasyante bhavishyati. That time he will be free from sorrow. Yada charmavadakasyam veshtaishyanti manavaha tada devam avijnaya. That time, without knowing Brahman, dukhasyante tarishyasi at dukhasyante bhavishyati. Your sorrow will end. Is it possible? Adi madri, without knowledge, self-knowledge, ignorance will not go away. So, that's why Jnanam word is coming here. Now try to understand. Lord Krishna says only one method, that is Jnanam. Now look into this 17th shloka. Tatparayanaha. These people who, first, what is the first stage of the seekers have to go through? Every person who want to get moksha, self-knowledge he has to get. No other way. Self-knowledge, if you want to get, first commitment is tasmin paramatmane nishtha you require. You have to have that Brahman as the primary goal. And that means what? Saturday class alone is my primary goal. This is the publicity. Now you see, am I publicizing my class, or your interest I have to create it? Tell me now. See, Lord Krishna asking, I am not asking. Brahman is my primary goal. If Brahman is my primary goal, what I have to do? I have to attend Gita class. There is no other way. Because we cannot roll the space without, like mat, we cannot roll. Without Shravanam, we cannot get Atma Jnanam. Therefore, first condition is the person who has got the Brahman as the primary goal. That is called Tatparayanaha. Then, second is Tadbuddhayaha. Tadbuddhayaha means those wise men who have the knowledge of that Brahman. So once your primary goal is Brahman, what you attain? Once your goal is Brahman, I want to attain Brahman. What do you attain? Brahman. என்ன அதுல சந்தேகம்? Valmiki Ramayana who wrote it? Valmiki. If Brahman is my goal, what am I going to get? Brahman. That's why tad buddhayaha. For the people whose goal is Brahman, buddhayaha means knowers of Brahman. Naturally they come to know the Brahman because they want Brahman. They attended the Saturday class. They got Brahma Jnanam. So tad buddhayaha. Guru mukhataha vedanta sravanena aham brahmasmi jnanam praptavantaha ityartha. Buddhi means jnanam, tat means atma, tad buddhayaha means atma jnanam. Tasmin atmani buddhihi yasya saha. In whose intellect that Brahma jnanam is there. Tad buddhayaha. Then third one is tadatmanaha. Tadatmanaha means Brahman is there. First he understands, then that Brahman I am. That is called tadatmanaha. Tat atma chaitanyam ahamasmi. Who are identical with the Brahman. I am identical with Brahman. There is no difference between me and Brahman. Me means which me? OC, RC, RM. OC. What you have to negate? RC, RM. RC means what? Reflected consciousness. RM means what? Reflected medium. Now, puriyada idella class. Discourse kadiyadu. So every point you have to immediately bring out in the mind. Otherwise, naan solli you are na, you take body problem. So OC here, OC. Then fourth one is tannishthaha. Tannishthaha, who are established in that Brahman. So goal is Brahman, attains Brahman, and identify himself as Brahman and remaining in that Brahman. Doubtless knowledge anartham. Doubtless knowledge. Tannishthaha means spontaneously remembers. So internal transformation take place in artham. Not only information, but internal transformation. Tannishthaha means whenever any crisis comes, now this knowledge come to surface. Any guilt, hurt, feeling, problems when they are coming, thrashing us, that time, these problems and all belong to body-mind complex, not to me. Appo varano gnapakam in the Brahman. Correcta அந்த டைமுக்கு வரணும். அதுதான் ஞான பலம். இல்ல சாட்டர்டே கிளாஸ் மட்டும் வரும் சுவாமினி, ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வரும்போது அப்படியே ஃபிளாட். அப்படி ஆகக்கூடாது. எப்பப்போ ப்ராப்ளம் சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் வருமோ, I have to invoke this knowledge. This is called spontaneously it is coming to surface. That means what? That problem will not affect me. Any problem, either it belongs to financial or relations or to my own body, any problem, uneasiness, the crisis, mental turmoil will not affect me. அந்த டைமுக்கு தான் அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சொல்லிக்கணும். சொன்னா it will not damage my system. அதுதான் spontaneity. So 4 over tad buddhayaha, tad atmanaha, tannishtha, tad parayanaha. Then jnana nirdhuta kalmashaha. They are free from kalmasham, impurity. Kalmashaha means impurities will go away. from whom all the impurities are gone because of knowledge. Jnana, jnanena, through self-knowledge. How they got self-knowledge? விழுந்து படிச்சு கிளாஸ்ல எழுதி கேசட் எல்லாம் கேட்டு with lot of sadhana they have attained atma jnanam. Jnanena nirdhuta means gone away, removed, went away. Nirdhuta kalmashaha, whose impurities are completely destroyed. Nirdhuta means destroyed. Kalmashaha means impurities. Gone through knowledge. This is the only stress buster. Paramarthananda Swamiji language lo sollanumana stress போறதுக்கு anxiety போறதுக்கு ஒரு வழி கிடையாது. ஒரே வழி என்ன? ஆத்ம ஞானம். Stress buster is, shock absorber is ஆத்ம ஞானம். வேற வழியே இல்லை. டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாதுங்கோ. So study well ன்னு அர்த்தம். So what is the phalam? Punaha apunara vartanti. They attain that state, the goal, that which is non-return. They will not enter into this samsara problem again. No more turmoils. Jivan mukti in artha. No one can exploit, no one can threaten us in this world. So, they will attain such status which is free from, because of impurities, they will not touched by any sort of janana marana samsara cycle, that marana bhayam and any other type of bhayam, abhayam pratishtham vindate. So he is free from fear. Fear of what? Fear of death, fear of disease, fear of anything. He is free from. Gachanti means attain. Apunaravrittanti. Avrittanti means avritti means coming back. After attaining jnanam, he will not get again sorrow. Jnanam netti vandachi Swamini, thirupi gone. Therefore now today I am samsari. 4 plus 4 jnanam goes away. 4 plus 4, எப்போ எல்கேஜியில் இருக்கும்போது we have studied. That ஞானம் continues. What to talk of this aham, நான் பிரம்மன் என்கிற ஞானம் போகுமா? ந ஆவృత్తిஹி, அஜ்ஞான ஆவృత్తిஹி ந பவதி, புனராவృత్తిஹி ந பவதி. கச்சந்தி and attain that state, that which is non-return. Non-return திருப்பி துக்கத்துக்கு வரமாட்டான், துக்க நிலைமைக்கு வரமாட்டான். நான் ஐ ஆம் பியாண்ட் சாரோ. துக்கம் பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பேன், மனசுக்கு பாடிக்கு தான் இருக்கும். நீ அடி அடி வாங்கன்னு சொல்லிடுவா. பாடி மைண்ட் நீ அப்படி தனியா பார்க்கற சக்தி வந்துடும். நிஜமாவா சுவாமின்னு? நிஜமாதான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அனுபவிச்சு அனுபவிச்சு சொல்றான் எல்லாருமே. So நம்ம கூட அனுபவிச்சு it is possible, there is no doubt. This is called verifiable knowledge. சந்தேகமே கிடையாது. Next shloka. So one more point you have to understand here. Kalmashas are at 3 levels. What do you mean by kalmasham? Impurity enna? From Vedanta standpoint we have to understand. Kalmasha means not like this dirt. Here kalmasha means even punya papa we are talking, no, that papa is a kalmasham. What do you mean by papa? From philosophical angle we have to see papa is that binding likes and dislikes is the first papa. Raga, dvesha, conditional, intense attachment intense hatred. This is the first impurity. Ingeda namakku starting problem. We are all having either attachment or aversion. And anything, if I have attachment, that impurity is there in artha. Shastra says entire religious life is the remedy. Nitya naimittika karma pancha maha yajnas. They are all, whole religious life, puja, daiva puja, upavasam, all disciplines, ashtanga yogam, whole religious life is importance. That karma yoga. Then the second impurity is ignorance itself is a impurity. Atma ajnanam itself is a impurity. Namma ennamo nenikram. That puja pandita, idi pandita, adi pandita, impurity has gone. Until ignorance goes, the impurity continues. That self-ignorance will not allow us to live happily, peacefully. Therefore, that itself is an impurity. Ignorance is impurity. So, therefore, what is the remedy? Vedanta Shravanam. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. Approach a guru and study Shastra systematically, regularly, consistently. Appappo class போகாது, daily என்ன எப்பப்போ class இருக்குமோ அப்பப்பெல்லாம் போகணும். Make yourself a committed student. I am a committed Vedantic student. இத்தனை நாளா ஏதோ அப்பப்போ போகலாம்னு நினைச்சேன். కానీ சுவாமினி every class she is telling sincerity சொன்ன உடனே கொஞ்சம் ஏதோ சின்சியரா போகலாம்னு நினைச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். அப்படிதான் நேனேன்னு சொல்றாரு. ஓகே. So ajnana nivritti through shravanam. Then another impurity is samshaya. Bhagavan irukara illaya? Irundha enga irupparu? If he is there, why can't he appear to me? Idella samshayam thane. Na why I have come to this birth? If I only alone born, okay. Why mosquitoes? Why militants, terrorists? Everybody must be good, no? Why can't Bhagavan create only good people? Why Bhagavan created bad people? Poduma in the samshayam ella. In the samshayam ella ponumanna, you have to do mananam, a lot of inquiry. In spite of studying Shastra, Vedanta Shravanam, after a length of time also, doubts will continue. Samshayam, anumanam will continue. Edo Pama Swamini sollindirukka, number of still samshaya is there. We are not having total confidence. And the samshayam ponumanna mananam pannanum. What do you mean by mananam sollindirukka? Enna mananam anna regarding with every basic doubt of concept of Veda. அந்த வேதம் கான்செப்ட்ல எந்த பேசிக் டவுட் இருந்தா கூட one has to go through logical analysis. And the logical analysis, analyzing logically until all the doubts will be removed from my, எந்த கொஸ்டின் வரக்கூடாது, சம்சயமே வரக்கூடாது. சம்சயம் வரும்போது சப்ரஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. I have to answer that doubt. How can I do? By sincere listening, years together, decades I have to listen. Decades, ஆமா, அப்பதான் மனனமே பண்ண முடியும். லெங்த் ஆஃப் ஸ்ரவணத்துக்கு அப்புறம் தான் மனனமே பண்ண முடியும். லாஜிக்கல் அனாலிசிஸ் எல்லாம் you can do then only. Through logical analysis, one has to go through the concept of idea. Any basic doubt regarding the concept of idea has to be removed through logical analysis. Any basic doubt regarding the concept of Veda. அந்த வேதக்கு சம்பந்தமான எந்த சந்தேகம் இருந்தாலும் கூட அது லாஜிக்கலா அனலைஸ் பண்ணி அந்த டவுட்ல இருந்து வெளியில வரணும். I have to answer to my intellect. That is called mananam. That impurity, doubt is also called impurity. புரியுறதா? இப்ப நமக்கு டவுட் இருந்தன்னா என்ன இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம்? இம்பியூரிட்டி இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். So intellectual problem can be solved by intellectual reasoning or logic. Intellectual problems can be solved by intellectual reasoning or logic. That fourth impurity is viparita bhavana, habitual notions. Each emotional problem can be solved. Viparita bhavana. Viparita bhavana, not only this janma, even previous janmas, vasanas also. Adhukku da habit. Habit lo H you remove, a bit remain. A bit lo if you remove A, bit will remain. Bit lo if you remove B, it will remain. What that is it? Habit. That's why it is called habit. That is called very, very powerful viparita bhavana anartham. It can be solved by nididhyasanam. So ignorance can be removed by shravanam, listening to shastra from a guru. Samshaya can be removed by logical analysis, mananam, Sanskrit la mananam. Viparita bhavana are wrong notions, habitual notions. Swamini class vandinde irukku aanalum still but and the but da viparita bhavana. That can be removed by nididhyasanam. Nididhyasamana, dwelling upon the teaching, either by reading my own notes or sitting quietly doing meditation and recollecting the, masticating the whole teaching. Again, reliving in the teaching. Reliving. Again, tonight I have to read the slokas. Tomorrow I have to read. Before coming to the class I have to read. That's called nididhyasanam. Whenever I get time I have to think about that only. The Swamini used to come to my mind all the time and speech also should come. That is nididhyasanam. Swamini, ungalne nididhyasanam pannina veedu vela yaar pannuvaanga. Adi paadukku adu nadandinde irukum. Idu vandu tambura surudhu maadhiri ulla poyinde irukkanum. Illaya? அதுதான் knowledge என்ன. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. வித்யா வினய சம்பன்னே பிராமணே கவிஹஸ்தினி சுனி சைவ ஸ்வபாகே ச பண்டிதா சமதர்ஷினஹ. Panditaha. So this is called Jnana Phalam he is giving. Previous he said kalmashas will go away from them. Those who are committed to Brahman, whose goal is Brahman, and who are committed and who attain Brahman, and who remain, identify themselves as Brahman and remembering all the time internally as Brahman. What is the phalam? They have samadarshanam. Since all impurities are gone, ignorance gone, doubts are gone, viparita bhavanas are also gone, those wise people, panditaha, then they are wise. Panditaha, wise men, atma jnaninaha, brahma drashtum sheelam. Atma jnaninaha means panda, means jnanam. Panda asya sanjata, in whom the knowledge has born. Rise. Panda asya sanjata. Brahma drashtum sheelam, wise men. That's why they are called panditaha. Now you know who are all called panditaha. You cannot call all people as panditaha. Or great pandit anna. If you study university lo kuda pandit anu idu kudpa. Hindi pandit, Sanskrit pandit, அந்த பண்டிட் பேசல இங்க. நம்ம பேசுற பண்டிட் வேற பண்டிட். Shankaracharya says, Panda asya sanjata, in whom this Brahma Jnanam has taken place. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam. I am identical with Brahman. I in the incidental body mind complex. I am eternal consciousness, Sat Chit Atma Swarupam, who is available in this body mind complex permanently or temporarily? Temporarily. Incidental body la permanent ah eppadi irukka mudiyum? Atma, I am permanent, but in this body availability is temporary, but I, the Atma, is permanent, eternal. Body mind is not permanent anu theriyum namakku. Illana indha udambu permanent anu nenichundu irupom. Okay. Panditaha samadarshinaha, they have the same vision of the self. Renunciation of Vishaya Darshanam. They have renounced the Nama Rupa Karma. They have renounced. They will not give importance, or they will not count Nama and Rupa. Why? Once you know it is a rope as rope. For that example, இப்போ அந்த sunrise example. Sunrise is not there, but you experience it. When you are experiencing sunrise, you know that there is no sunrise, but experientially it is there. But you don't take it as real. Yes or no? Similarly, Swamini Brahmagnana வந்த உடனே இந்த நான் உடம்பு எல்லாம் போயிடுமா, மறந்துடுவேனா, எனக்கு பசி இருக்குமா, தாகம் இருக்குமான்னு சந்தேகம் வரக்கூடாது. நல்ல பசி இருக்கும், அப்படியே சாப்பிடுவேன், அப்படியே தூங்குவேன், எல்லாமே நார்மலா தான் இருக்கும், பயப்படாதங்கோ. ஏன்னா சில பேருக்கு பயம், சுவாமி நான் பிரம்மன் சொன்ன பசி போயிடுமோ, தாகம் எல்லாம் போயிடுமோ, கேன் ஐ ரெகக்னைஸ் மை சன் as சன்? அப்படி ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் வராது. You look at your son as your son and you know that son's substratum is Brahman. You look at your wife also as wife. The body mind complex, you are interacting, but you still know that internal substance is Brahman. Adila problem onnu varadu. Okay, I will give the guarantee card. Vedumanna. So samama darshanam. Now you look at everyone equally na atma rupena sarvam brahmamayam. Nama rupa when you see samama irukuma? Samame kadaiya. ஒருத்தர் பிளாக், ஒருத்தர் ஒயிட், ஒருத்தர் ஷார்ட், ஒருத்தர் லாங், ஒருத்தர் தின்னு, ஒருத்தர் பிளாட். சமம் எங்க இருக்கு? நாம ரூப கர்மா ஆல்சோ job wise different, qualification wise different, relation wise different. Nama Rupa karma is different. You can never bring this Nama Rupa karma belong to whom? Body only. Mind, all these actions are done by the Antahkaranam. Body, Karma Indriyani, Jnana Indriyani are doing functioning. Therefore Nama Rupa karma belong to the body mind complex, and I am Atma in every Nama Rupa. What is there? Atma. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne. Even the well educated person la irukkiradhu yaru? Atma. Vinayam, the person who is having, because of Vidya Vinayam has come. Ani nenikkirar Pama Krishnar. இப்போ பார்க்கும் காலேஜில் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்னு, வித்யா ததாதி வினயம், வினயாத் பாத்திரதாம், பாத்திரத்வாத் தனம் ஆப்னோதி, தனம் தர்மார்த்தம், தர்மம் மோக்ஷார்த்தம். வித்யா இருந்தா வினயம் வரணும். அதுதான் நிஜமான வித்யா. ஹியூமிலிட்டி, அடக்கம். ததாதி வினயம். Vinayat patratam. Once you get humility, vinayam, adakam, patratam, you are deserved to get wealth. Patrata, you are deserved to get name, fame. Then dhanam will come. Patratva dhanam apnoti. When you are deserved for that name and fame, popularity, money will come. That dhanam what for? Dhanam dharmartham. To perform righteous actions. Dhanam dharmartham. Dharma edukku? Dharmam mokshartham. To attain self-knowledge. So therefore, our studies should culminate into moksha. Vidya, moksha connection. Priyardho, Krishna Paramatma says, this jnani who knows everything is Brahman, he is having equanimous mind. Samadarshana means equanimous mind. Darshana means parvai, paakradai, perception, attitude. Attitude towards whom? A well-educated person. A pandita, chaturvedi, trivedi, dvivedi. A brahmana. Cultured. Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane. Brahmana is sattva guna predominant person in artham. Sattva guna is predominant, supposed to be predominant in brahmana. Brahmana is supposed to be a well-learned person. Brahmana should be supposed to be a adakam, humility. அதெல்லாம் இருக்கணும். அப்படிதான் அவன் பிராமணன். இப்படி சொன்ன எத்தனை பேர் பிராமணாலாம் இருக்காரு சொல்லுங்க. வித்யை இருக்கணும், வினயம் இருக்கணும். சம்பன்னன் அதுல சம்பன்னம், வெல்தி பர்சன் அர்த்தம். வித்யா வினய சம்பன்னே பிராமணே நம்பர் 1. Then on what are all things he is having samadarsanam சொல்றார் பகவான். First, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane, who represents a Samskrita Purushaha anartham. Cultured, samskara van ityartha. A Brahmin and Gavi, number 2. Gavi means a cow. In a cow also he is having the Uttama Taragati. It is belong to a Uttama Jati. Cow. And cow also he is having the same darshanam, Atma darshanam. Then cow represents Rajoguna. Then Hastini, in an elephant also he is having Samadarshanam. He looks at the Brahmana, the cow and the elephant also as same. Jnani. Not Nama Rupa Karma Drishtya, but elephant la kuda Atma irukku, cow la kuda Atma irukku, and the Brahmanan la kuda Atma da unmai. In the Nama Rupam ellame poi, and the snake madri, number of snake madri. Brahman da unmai. Adinala the Sammana Darshanam. Atma la edavada asamam irukku. Even. Atma is even. Not only Hastini, even Shuni Chaiva Shvapakecha. In a dog also. Dog is compared to the Tamoguna Pradhanam. First class one is animal. First cow. Second class is elephant. They are all called Sadhu Swabhava. Social service ella pandrane. They do lot of service, no? Cow, elephant and all. And the dog only little bit inferior than, that's why dog eater, Mahapapam, dog, flesh eater. The person, that's a Shwapaka and Shwana and dog. Shwapaka and the eater of the dog flesh. The one who eats the dog eater means uncultured person ku udaharana. Don't think there is a dog eater. uncultured person, Prakrita Purushaha. அங்கே வந்து சம்ஸ்கிருத புருஷா, பிராமணா, well learned, and this dog eater. In between, cow, elephant, all these, dog eater. And all of them, he is having Samadarshanam. He is having Samadarshanam. That is a philosophical angle. Atma, Nama, Rupa, Karma, Shariram is unreal. Atma is real. Adhishthana Drishti, Jnani Drishti. So, Ajnani Drishti is what? Nama, Rupa, Karma Drishti. So, from Nama, Rupa, name, form, action level, you should not say Samam. கார் டிரைவர்னு ஆஃபீஸர்னு இப்போ எடுத்துகிட்டு போய் ஒரே இடத்துல உட்கார வச்சுட்டு போஜனம் போடக்கூடாது. இல்லை சுவாமினி கிளாஸ் போய் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் எல்லாரும் சமம்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. சர்வெண்ட் தான், டிரைவர் தான், பண்டிதா தான். ஃப்ரம் வாட் ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட்? ஃப்ரம் பாடி மைண்ட் ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் தேர் போர்ட்ஃபோலியோ, யூ ஹாவ் டு protocol, no, you have to maintain properly. So philosophical drishtya samam, okay. Vyavaharika drishtya, empirical angle, when we look at this nama rupa karma, a person, vyavaharika drishtya, you have to maintain that difference without any hatred. Raga dvesham irukka venda. But you have to maintain a Brahmana as a Brahmana, Shudra is a Shudra who is doing scavengers. So you have to, you need not hate or you need not develop any aversion towards them. Without any raga dvesha, you look at them as they are according to their karma, name and form. You cannot keep the dog on your, no? People are keeping the dog. You cannot keep dog also on the dining table, eat along with me சொல்ல முடியுமா? அதெல்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. இதுதான் வேதாந்தம். they understand misunderstanding problem. Some people, lot of problems will come if you don't understand properly. So vyavaharika drishtya, relative angle, we have to maintain the difference. Sunichaiva, Shunicha, Eva, Swapakecha, Pandita Samadarshinaha. So, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne, number 1, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane, Gavi, cow, Hastini, upon the elephant, Shuni, dog, Swapakaha, dog eater. And all of them is having Samadarshanam. From what drishti? Atma drishtya. Adi underline pandukongo. Atma drishtya. Next shloka. Samasamabhyam vishame vishama same pujataha. According to Shastra, aputra apujyatra pujyante pujyanam cha vyatikramam tatra trini vartante maranam durbhiksham bhayam annar. Samadarshanam ye philosophical angle ani sonnam, not vyavaharika angle, not for daily interaction sake. Samadarshana irukka koodadu. Adu irundha problem. That shloka tells, Manusmritila varuman nenikira, Manusmriti da. What the shloka starts with, apujyatra pujyante, who are not deserved to worship. Apujyaha means not deserved for worship. Apujya yatra pujyante. When you worship, where the people we worship who are not deserved for worship. Apujyaha yatra pujyante, in which place people are worshipping a person who is not deserved for worship. Pujyanam cha vyatikramam. But in other place where we are not worshipping a person, respecting a person who is deserved for worship. Pujyanam cha vyatikramam. Tatra trini vartante. There three things will prevail. Maranam. First, death take place more. Casualties are more. மரணம், நிறைய பேரும் వెకేటింగ్ ద ప్లేస్ అన్నమాట. మరణం. నెంబర్ 2 దుర్భిక్షం, డ్రౌట్. దుర్భిక్షం வந்துடும், சாப்பாடே இருக்காது. பயம் பயம் பயமா இருக்கும் எப்பவுமே. பூஜிக்க கூடாதவனு பூஜிக்கிறது, எங்க யானு பூஜிக்கணுமோ அவனு பூஜிக்காமல் இருக்கிறது. இது ரெண்டும் நடந்தா அந்த வீட்டில், அந்த சொசைட்டில, அந்த கண்ட்ரியில எங்கேயுமே இந்த மூடு இருக்கும். ஜாகிரதா சாஸ்திரம் சேஸ். ஸோ அங்கே நம்ம ராகத்வேஷம் வரக்கூடாது. We have to respect deserved people. We should not respect who are not deserved. Then the society is in danger ன்னு அர்த்தம். If அப்படி உல்டா நடந்தா ப்ராப்ளம். படிச்சோமோ 19th ஸ்லோகா படிக்கலாம். இஹைவ தைர்ஜித சர்கஹ ஏஷாம் சாம்யே ஸ்திதம் மனஹ நிர்தோஷம் ஹி சமம் பிரம்மா தஸ்மாத் பிரம்மணி தே ஸ்திதாஹ. Now Lord Krishna is saying, I said Samadarsanam means equal vision. Upon what? Upon Atma. What is the nature of that Atma upon which we are having Samadarsanam? அது தெரியணும் இல்லையோ? So nature of that Atma Vastu Nirdosham ன்னு சொல்றாரு. It is dosha rahitam. It is free from defects, free from demerits. Nirdosham, free from all defects. Nirdosham samam brahma. Samam means equal, ever the same. Samam means ever the same. Body is not ever the same. Mind is not ever the same. Bodies are not the same. Minds are also not same. All things are changing. But ever the same is what? Atma. And defect free. Nirdosham samam. That is called Brahman. Therefore, I can see everyone as same. Because Brahman is same. Atma in everyone is same. Therefore, I should have Samadarsanam. So, the standpoints are different. Paramarthika drishti, Vyavaharika drishti. Vyavaharika drishtya, when I am talking with each other, interacting with each other, I have to see their status and give respect. Everyone we respect. And we know whom we have to give what extent. We love everyone, but at the same time we know how to interact. But from Paramarthika Drishtya, Atma Drishtya, this Brahman is Samam, Nirdushtam, defect free. Tasmat Brahmani te sthitaha. Second line. Therefore, they are established in Brahman. Sthitaha means established in Brahman. Brahmani means in Brahman. Where after death கிடையாது. Iha eva. Here itself. Now 7:30 itself. If you get jnanam in the class here now itself. Iha eva. Esham Manaha samye sthitam iha eva taihi jitaha sargaha. Esham, of whose mind, Esham Manaha, whose mind, here itself, while living an artham, while living in this body itself, sargaha jitaha. Jitaha means conquered. What they have conquered? Samsara, rebirth. Sargaha means rebirth. Taihi, by them, Jnanibihi. Samye sthitam, whose mind is established in equality because they have conquered the rebirth. Because of Jnanam. They established Brahman, they established in Brahman. Therefore, they understand this Brahman is Samam, Nirdosham. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.